what's been your experience since you signed up? How long? Maybe 2 weeks ago now?
I think it's been three weeks. Yeah.
What's your overall experience been like?
And I think you were doing Instacart before the world got crazy around us. So you didn't get to
I
experience.
have a much different experience. I was doing it.
Yeah.
No gloves
Yeah.
and just no face.
Right.
Definitely.
So I have no idea what it used to be like because I started, kind of in the thick of things. So it was hard. Like the first day I was a wreck. I was just so anxious. Like, I mean, there were so many things, like you have to refund and replace almost every single item in an order. Like it's not like the store is just, the shelves aren't stocked, it's really, there's a learning curve. Like there's a huge learning curve to it. But once I got past that and kind of my anxiety with it, I did, maybe after even like the third batch that I did, I was pretty okay with it.
Mm-hmm.
And, as time has passed and I've done more batches, like it's been pretty easy. Like you kind of get in the flow of it and really figure it out and get faster at it, which is important.
Yeah, I kind of like didn't go the traditional route, and I just started out with Elias, who had like done 50 batches already. So he was like, we just
I watched that vlog. That was a funny vlog of yours.
Yeah, but I didn't have to like learn it all on my own. I could imagine like me watching him do his first batch, or when I was doing it, I was like, oh dang, like it would be tough like learning that all on my own. So
yeah.
But when I first started driving for Lyft, I was the same way. Like the first few rides I did, I was so nervous. I was like, the first like 3 rides, I don't think I used the GPS because I couldn't even figure out how to turn it on.
I think I remember you saying that in one of your videos. That's funny.
Yeah, so I was like, I don't know. It feels weird doing something for the first time. I think it's like that for any job though, right? Like
definitely, yeah. I mean, I guess there's a difference because with any other job where you are normally employed, then you would have a trainer and somebody actually teaching you. And this is just, you're kind of thrown to the wolves to figure it out on your own.
Yeah, like I'm remembering when I first worked at Nike. It was like the first job I had where like we had phones, like we checked people out on phones. Like there was no like cash registers, or like there were, but most of the checkouts were just done on your phone, and you just like whatever, everything's like, I didn't know how to do that. And I remember there were so many things I didn't know how to do, and I would always ask my like coworkers. Like it was so stressful because I was asking somebody every single minute, but you're doing Instacart, you don't really have that like luxury.
Yeah.
So kind of just like guessing it, I guess. Like
at the same time, I have seen so many Instacart shoppers out when I'm doing it. So like you maybe could ask people questions.
That's true actually now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like how did you like figure out how to do the refunds? How did you figure out how to replace an item? How did you even figure out how to check out for the first time? Were you able to learn that on the app, or was it just kind of like?
The app is pretty intuitive. So, I mean, it's really, even though there's kind of a lot to it, it still walks you through the steps. So it's just really like, certain tricks that you pick up as you learn the app. But I mean, you're probably not going to get screwed on your first order unless you, I don't know, can't think for yourself, I guess. That's not very nice, but.
Yeah. Cool.